Hello everyone, welcome back. So this is how to repair the Beetel analog telephone model P68. So the trouble of this telephone is motorboating. When I press the hands-free and speakerphone, so there's a sounds motorboating, so not normal sounds. So let's start. So when I open the circuit, as we can see, so there are two components that are bloated. The cap is bloated. This is electrolytic capacitor, two pieces. So this is 1000 microfarad, 10 volts. Okay, as we can see, so not in normal shape. The cap is bloated, so this is leaky, defective. So let's remove. So when we remove the electrolytic capacitor, this is 1000 microfarad, 10 volts, and then not in normal shape. The cap is bloated. And then let's remove the another one. And it's the same. So the same rating, 1000 microfarad, 10 volts. And then to double check if this is defective capacitor, let us test to a multimeter digital. Then calibrate to the capacitance test. And let's start the test. Then as you can see, so supposedly this is 1000 microfarad. Now the reading is 545 microfarad. So this is defective already. So we need to replace this electrolytic capacitor. This is defective capacitor. And then we have the replacement, a new one. So two pieces electrolytic capacitor, the same voltage, the same capacitance, 1000 microfarad, and then 10 volts. Now let's fix to the circuit these two electrolytic capacitor. So in this shaded lines, this is the negative side. So let's double check the polarity. Then we will resolder. And the other one. Okay, we finish the solder the capacitor, then let's close it. Now close properly. Then plug in the telephone lines, the tip ring. And now there is no motorboating anymore. So it's a normal sound when you press the hands-free. So now the Beetel P68 is back to normal operation. So the sounds is good. The speaker phone hands-free is working now normally. So it's done. Thank you for watching.